Now to locate the cabin air filter, it is behind the glove box. So you just got to open up your glove box, and this is on the passenger side of course, and then they've got some tabs here. You can either try to pry them, but really you can just take your hand in there and pull it this way, and then pull this one this way. And like I said, there's these tabs over here that are holding it. And then just let the glove box fold all the way down. And right in here is where it's at. There's a tab on the right hand side. Just pull it and then open it, and that is the cover that you remove. And then we got the cabin air filter right here. Just go ahead and pull it out, nice and dirty, and get your new one right here, and go ahead and put it back in. It does have a airflow arrow. Just want to make sure you put it back in to the way the airflow flows. So there's two little tabs on this side. We want to make sure that they line up and push in. And then when you push this safety clip, this clip on this side, it's all inside, locked up, good to go. And then just take your glove box, push it back up, snaps back those clips, and just close it back up. And that's how you would replace your cabin air filter.